Greetings, everyone, and welcome to Teaching and Learning with Technology. This is your professor, Josh Bauer, speaking, and I look forward to working with you during this term. Let's check out a few of the things on the page here. Faculty contact is there if you'd like to learn more about me and how to get in touch with me. And the course information is also a good spot for you to check out. The syllabus is located here. Some information about research articles and other information is here as well. Content is where you'll be using spending most of your time, so let's check that out. Let's look at Module 1, which we start today, Teaching with Technology. Here are some of our targets for this module. You'll describe connections between research and tech integration. You'll discuss current and desired applications with your teaching, and you're going to create an online presentation regarding goals that you have. Module 1 Introduction. Each of the modules has a PDF introduction. Please take time to read through this as you get started with the modules. Helpful information in here about course structure and also the first module. Please take time to read through that. The required readings for this module are located here. Videos and readings are options for this course. For the first section, choose one of the videos. That's the most appropriate for your grade level. Check out this website, and then read at least two of the articles listed at the bottom. The first discussion is technology goals. The goal is to get you thinking about how and why we use technology. So that you're going to have two parts. Part 1, define 3 technology goals you have right now. You may have had these for a while. Describe them and why you want to learn them. And then connect the readings and research to your goals. Select one goal, at least one source, and then read through the rest of that. Your response is due by, your initial response will be due by initial response is due by Wednesday at midnight. That's tonight. It's a quick turnaround because of the course starting in the middle of a week, and the response is due by Sunday at midnight. Technology in action discussion. Learning to teach and to learn with technology involves using technology. We're going to get a chance to do that throughout this course. So your task is to create an online presentation that demonstrates your skills while providing us with an introduction to you. You can select any tool that you want. There's some examples here. The presentation should have this information. And let's have this due on Sunday at midnight, and responses due by Sunday at midnight as well. So we'll start that way with this short week. 1.3 is review the final project requirements. There's going to be a learning progression that will have you submitting a final project. During the first 5 modules, we're going to look through different resources. In Module 6, you're going to develop an area of interest and a final draft. So please go and check out the final project just to kind of get used to it. The assignment guidelines and rubrics are here for you to be able to do that. And Questions Anyone is located here for you to check out. Looking forward to working with you this term. Please do let me know if you have any questions, and here's to a great start.